With the rise of the low-altitude economy, drone applications are becoming increasingly mature. In scenarios such as urban security, border protection, military defense, and critical infrastructure protection, the potential threats posed by drones are everywhere. Our independently developed drone jamming and low-altitude defense system integrates radar detection, radio detection and jamming, and electro-optical detection into one system. It enables early detection, rapid locking, stable tracking, accurate identification, and strong jamming against drones. It builds a comprehensive, end-to-end, multi-layered defense system. The system combines multi-source coordination, device management, situational awareness and control, and response decision-making into a comprehensive and visualized counter-drone management platform. With the enhancement of intelligent visual tracking technology, the system guides the pan-tilt unit based on target positions from radar and detection outputs. No matter how stealthy the drone is, it can be locked on in real time. The system backend can centrally manage various types of devices, including jamming units, radar, and electro-optical systems. It provides real-time monitoring of device status. It supports viewing real-time drone flight paths and historical trajectory playback. It records the flight paths and processes to trace the source of threats. When a drone threat is detected, the system can initiate jamming and deception protocols. It jams and suppresses drones, leaving low-altitude threats with nowhere to hide. It supports switching between visible light and thermal imaging video. It supports pan-tilt direction control and zoom lens adjustment of the electro-optical system. Drone countermeasure and low-altitude defense system. Make drones invisible. Eliminate low-altitude threats.